Welcome, this is Rozani. I'm continuing my mini-series of these little mini pumpkin gourds and squashes. I have two different colors to show you this time, so let's keep watching. If you are already familiar with my technique, you will know that I use liquid starch along with different types of paper. We'll be using two different types in this video. Here I've used a jute stem instead of making the stem out of paper, and I just attached a piece of the jute with the liquid starch. You could use raffia, yarn, any kind of twine that you have. Just make sure that it stays on. And then you can work all around it, like I'm doing here. I'd love for you to explore your imagination and make as many of these as you like, and in different sizes. I like to combine my papers sometimes. It all depends on the scraps that are available. And here I'm combining crepe paper on top of the tissue paper. Just use what you have on hand. Let's keep going. You can fill in your little segments with more paper and keep building it up as you like. The process of making these little gourds is the same as making the larger sizes. I know it's repetitious and it does take a little time to dry, but I hope to show you one more color. It's coming up, so keep watching. And by the way, if you like to use tools, this is a great one. I use this little skewer a lot in creating my little pumpkin gourds. Now I'll set it aside to dry. And let's move on to this one. I'm working with yellow and using crepe paper again. Let's keep going. As a side note, keep in mind that you have to work quickly with crepe paper and don't saturate it. Just lightly dampen it. Dampen the surface and then add the dry paper on top of the wet surface. That's the best way to keep it from falling apart. I hope that gives you a better idea of how to work with crepe paper. This will be my stopping point. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, thank you so much for being here with me. I hope that you'll try this out. Use your paper colors and just have a good old time. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.